What is up, everyone? This is Nick Wells here, and we're continuing with my short tutorial series on how to get started in Forsage. Right now, it's going to be my third video. It's going to be step 2. This is a step where we're getting a wallet that is compatible with Forsage. Right now, Forsage uses 3 main wallets. It uses MetaMask on the PC through a browser extension. It uses TokenPocket and Coinbase wallet. Both of those are on the phones, Android or iOS. Now, on the phones, any wallet that has DApp capability, decentralized app, basically a web browser built into a wallet, should work, but results have varied. For example, Clever used to work, and then Clever got to the point where the contract registration isn't working. So I'm not putting them on my list. So go at your own risk. Do know for 100%, these 3 fallen wallets do work: MetaMask, TokenPocket, and Coinbase Wallet. The instruction in this video is going to be for MetaMask. Okay. As I said, it's a browser extension. So we would go to metamask.io and we would go ahead and click download now. All right. And it thinks I have Chrome, which I don't. I'm currently using Edge in this video. So let's go ahead and click on Edge. And it's complaining, probably because I'm in a private browser. So let me get out of this private browser. So excuse me on that. All right, let's try it again. All right, download now. Go on Edge. There we go. Now it does get this time. Okay, let's add the extension. All right, you're going to see this pop up. Check out the little fox following you around. All right, going to go ahead and hit get started. And right now, this seed phrase it's talking about is used to recover your wallet. You're going to see that in just a second. It's a 12-word phrase that's unique to your wallet. Very important. I'll go through that in just a little bit. So we're going to set up a new wallet from scratch. Okay, create a wallet. What I just emphasize here is it's telling you to back up all your information. Don't lose it. Don't give it to anyone else. Okay. All right. So let's agree. I'm just going to do a little simple password. This is a password to get into your wallet once you've created it. So make sure you don't lose it. And right here is the seed words I was telling you about. Okay. So I'm going to reveal them on this video, but this is a demo account that I'm never going to use for Forsage. So if anyone thinks they're smart and uses these seed words, I'm never putting any funds in this account. So, all right, so we'll give it a click. These 12 words are unique to my account. So let's say I lost my computer or whatnot, and I had to reinstall this browser and re-import this wallet. These 12 words would allow me to restore it. Okay. Now, if I lose these words, I can't restore it, no matter how much money's in the account. Also, likewise, don't ever give these 12 words to anyone, because they could take these 12 words and import your wallet into their system and then drain and use it however they please. So write these down on a piece of paper, lock them in a safe. A lot of people skip this step. They forget about it. They just want to set up the wallet and get moving. And then a year or two down the road, something happens and they have to recover the wallet. And they're like, oh my God, I didn't write down about 12 words. So very, 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 very important. It's a basic aspect of security. You have to write this down. For me, it's throwaway in this video because this is going to be a demo. Which I already messed up because I was supposed to write them down and I'm not practicing what I preach. So, because the wallet is going to make you confirm them. So it knows you actually put them back in place. So let's hit next. Okay, let's do a little double snap action right here. Okay, so display. Ordinary. Ecology. Aspect. Orbit. Damp. Misery. Veg, cherry, rice, garden, please. Okay. Then we would hit confirm. And congratulations. We now have it. It's telling you once again, keep that seed phrase safe. Back up multiple places. Never share it with anyone. You know, anyone ask you, even if they say it's security or for support, never, ever, ever give out those words, okay? All right, so it's all done. Let's see, that's a total another topic we'll get on later one day. So, and now we have our own MetaMask wallet. So now that we have a wallet, as I showed in my other videos, you need to fund that wallet. So that's a quick nitty gritty on how to set up your MetaMask wallet that you will use to connect with Forsage here in the next videos upcoming. All right. And remember, it's a throwaway account. So if you want to copy my 12-word seeds and play around with this wallet, you can. All right. Thank you and have a great day.